They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never.
Terima kasih ya, thank you, I love you, no smoking.
Takut saya, takut.
Sama siapa?
Takut, maaf.
Oh my god, Allah, kabur.
Gak bisa.
Di mana ada bahaya, di situ ada saya. Tunggu, hey.
Aduh.
Lagi tapa dia.
Yes.